Part 2 of Learning Target 13. Now we are given the description, we have to write an equation. Doesn't you feel like us math teachers are not creative? Because we always do this. We always make you guys figure out different parts, and the next one is like, okay, here's a description, write an equation. You've seen this a lot, right? So let's see. It's to figure out the b, a is an amplitude, b for sine and cosine is 2 pi over period, and tangent for b is pi over period, so don't forget that. I think I like this as a parent function. So it says a sine, so it's gonna be y equals, you know what guys? Just do this. This is kind of like how you should set it up, that way you don't make any mistake. Sometimes you might not have anything in the parentheses, but at least you know what to do. It's going to be sine, double parentheses, and an x. What goes right here? Yes, the b. Right here is the amplitude. Right here is the shift, left, right, up, down, right? So I feel like this is how I would set up. So write a sine with an amplitude of 2. So 2 goes right there. Period of pi. So that means b is 2 pi divided by period. So period of pi means 2 pi divided by pi. Pi's cancel out. Oh, wait, my face is covering this. Pi's cancel out, so it'll be just 2 right there. Shift to the right pi over 4. Please, you're not gonna make that mistake anymore. The opposite signs, right? Down 1. I love downs. Done. Not too bad, is it? So same thing. Y equals cosine, open, open, x, close, close. Like that should be just the basic form. Cosine of double parentheses with x there. Has an amplitude of 1/3. So that goes right there, 1/3. Period of 4, so b is 2 pi divided by period. Period, okay, sorry for almost misspelling. 2 pi divided by 4 pi. Pi's cancel out. That's 1/2, so 1/2 goes right there. Shift it to the left. You don't fool me anymore, right? Plus pi over 2. Up 2 is up 2. Done. C. Okay, y equals sine, like that. Amplitude of 5 goes right here. Period of 2 pi over 3, so it'd be b equals 2 pi over 3. Uh-oh. Alert, alert. We need to make sure we put parentheses around there. So 2 divided by 2/3 like this, okay? Not what not to do. What not to do. Not without the parentheses. So it should be 3. Pi's cancel out. So 3 out here. Down 7. Down 7. I know. At first 2 seconds I was like, wait a minute. Down 7, where does it go? Outside, of course. And then left 3 pi over 4 plus 3 pi over 4. You got this. Let's do some tangent. I'm getting bored. Tangent. So y equals tan, open, xx. There, parentheses. Write out tangent equation is period of 2 pi. So as you can see up here, tangent is b is pi divided by period. So it'll be b is pi divided by period. It'll be pi divided by 2 pi. The pi's cancel out, so it becomes 1/2. The 1/2 goes right here. Ooh, something new, something new. Reflected over the x-axis. Meanies. You need subtraction right there, or negative sign right there. Then shift it to the right, so subtract pi over 12. No up and down, so that's it. E. Y equals cos, so cosine. Oh no. I always do this. I feel like when it comes down to like the last question, I get a little overly excited, so I kind of like make a mistake. So y equals cos parentheses parentheses x, amplitude of 8. So 8 goes right here. Reflected. Uh-oh, alert, alert, reflected. So negative right here, period. So 2 pi over period is what b is. There's 2 pi divided by, oh my gosh, we need to learn like every 2 seconds in here. This time we have to do 2 divided by 5 over 4. 1.6. Woo, don't like decimal, so then it's 8 over 5. 8 over 5. 8 over 5. Down 9. Down 9. Nothing about left, right, so that's just blank. But it's okay to have a blank, you know. Cool. Should we do a few more just cause? Just cause like I feel like we got through this in 6 minutes. I can do more. Tangent. Y equals tan. Open, open, x, close, close. Vertical compression of 1/9. So that goes right here. Period. Pi divided by period. Pi divided by 3 pi over 2. Uh-oh. What is this? What is this nonsense of invisible 1? 1 divided by, open parentheses, like that. 2/3. Not this. Okay? You see? Totally different fraction. We don't want this. We want to make sure we put in parentheses. 2/3. 2/3 goes here. It doesn't say anything about left, right, or up and down, so that's it. Cosine. Y equals cosine. Open, open, x, close, close. Open, open, x, close, close. I feel like we can have a song with this. Open, open, x, close, close. Up 7. I love it. The right. You know what? We fooled you once. We fooled you twice. I mean, after 3 years. And this is like, so for some of you, this could be the last class ever. Last math class ever. Please don't make the mistake. All right. Let's do a little more. Y equals sine. Open, open, x, close, close. Open, open, x, close, close. See? There's a rhythm to it. Up 1. Amplitude 3. Why are they switching order? Who cares? Period of 7 pi over 6. So it'd be 2 pi over 7 pi over 6. Oh boy, I don't know. 2 divided by, open parentheses, 7 divided by 6. Ugly, ugly. 12 over 7. 12 over 7. And am I missing anything? Nope. Amplitude, B, up 1, done. Last one? Okay, we'll call I the last one. Y equals tangent, open, open, x, close, close. Stretch of 9, so 9 goes right there. Period of 2 pi over 3, so it'd be pi over 3 pi over 2. Now, you know, like let's say if you don't get to use calculator notes, I'll be worried because you have so many little things to memorize. But you guys get to use a calculator. So I'm sorry, you have no excuse on like how hard this is. If you're doing tangent, you just go to your notes. Here, tangent, B is pi over period. If you're doing sine cosine, B is 2 pi over period. The fact that you can use your notes, you can really just fill in the blanks. Up 4, left, so it's plus pi over 7. There you have it. I think that was enough. Yeah? Bye.